you like my mixing?
Yes. And what are you making?
I'm making waffles.
Making waffles.
In the morning, I'm making
what's in
waffles.
this jar?
Waffle mix.
Waffle mix?
Yeah.
What does it contain?
Flour, salt, sugar, and baking powder.
Good. Good. And you've got milk, egg,
and butter.
Melted butter. Unsalted butter.
Melted, unsalted butter.
Okay.
Since it matters.
So what are you doing in the cup with the dry ingredients? The waffle mix.
I'm gonna pour the dry ingredients, which is the waffle mix, into the bigger bowl, and then all the wet ingredients into the smaller bowl.
Okay.
And then mix them together.
Show me how it's done. We're going to make a mess again anyway.
There's more in there. It's more than a cup. Or more than a heaping cup.
What have you been learning how to make? That uses flour and butter and...
Cookies?
Cookies. Chocolate chip cookies.
Now, in a separate bowl, we'll add the wet ingredients. There's flour all in it.
I'm ready for some waffles. Waffle? The waffle whiffer.
1 cup milk. 2 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. And 1 egg. Do I mix this part together?
Yes. We may have to add a little bit more milk because we've got a little bit more.
Mix it now?
Sure. You can put that whisk in this, or you can use the whisk in there. Yeah. And you can put that bowl in the sink. We may make another batch and make extras to put in the freezer.
We'll have to get some more milk.
Yeah. I'll plug the waffle maker in. Do we need to add more liquid?
I don't think so. Now we got our batter.
And that can go in that other bowl. And this will have a green light when it's ready. And right now, they spray the top and the bottom. Good. And try to pour it kind of quickly. There you go. Okay, now close the lid.
It's hot.
Yes, it is. And we wait. That ought to be done, don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay. They'll all come at once.
I can't grab it, dude.
There you go.
There you go, Nisa.
Thank you. And use that spoon you left. I like that because it doesn't waste. I don't like to waste food. You gonna scrape any of this out? Okay.
I was trying to get as much extra as I can so it would go off to the sides. That's good.
This is a good recipe.
Oh, it's hot.
What was it? A cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. It cooks relatively even. I looked at the reviews. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, there's no extras.
Some of them didn't cook very evenly, but this one had good reviews. Very good. That extra came with it. We'll let these cool. If you were going to eat them, you'd go ahead and put your butter on it and get after it. Peepaw waffles have just butter, no syrup. Mara was making waffles. Thank you for joining us. We're new to YouTube, so we'll have more videos to come.
Bye.
Push the red dot.
Boop.
We're going to make more waffles when we get some more milk, but right now we're going to make some more waffle mix.
Waffle
and put it in a bigger container to make it easier.
So I don't spill it like I did last time.
And this container came with its own measuring cup. There were, I think, 4 in a pack. I just love them. All right. What does the recipe say?
1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. You gonna do triple?
We can start with that. Here's sugar. And what else do you need?
Baking powder and salt.
And you need a tablespoon.
Tablespoon, teaspoon, and cups. Mason, hit that like button.
Hit that like button.
Stop stealing my ideas.
Got a hand. She gave me a hand.
Oh my gosh, bro.
So you need a tablespoon and a teaspoon.
Yeah, I'm gonna thumb wrestle him. Do. Oh, I lost.
Okay, here's your tablespoon and teaspoon.
Hit that like button. Thanks, dude. For tripling it. I can't do math.
So, you're going to triple it?
Or we can double it since we have to add that other powder in.
Well, we're going to get quite a bit in here because we use this quite a bit. So why don't you do 5 times?
5?
Yep.
Dude, you didn't know how much that's going to be.
More than that. But look at how much this holds.
Okay. I need a calculator.
It holds 5 liters.
I'm gonna need my calculator for the teaspoons, tablespoons.
What does it say? You need 5 cups of flour. Start with that. 5 tablespoons of sugar, 10 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3 teaspoons are in a tablespoon.
Let's do the cups first.
So we can figure that out.
5 cups flour. Do we put it in a bowl or just in here?
Just in there. We can mix it in there.
We have to sift it.
It says sift it?
Yeah. In a medium bowl, sift the flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt.
We'll sift it when we make it.
Okay.
Which we didn't today.
I'm gonna need a scoop to scoop it. Put it in the scoop.
Not really.
Yeah.
Just shake it.
Where's the cut part?
And it can be approximate. A little bit more in there. The cut part is like right.
Oh, it's at the top right here.
Yeah, near the top.
You need more.
Just let it fall in there loosely. So that's a good. That's about a cup. 1.
Making me do this.
2.
Nope. Yeah. 3.
3. 4.
Yeah. Dude.
Just do 5, mix it, and then we'll see how much more. 5.
Now what?
1 tablespoon of sugar. 5 tablespoons of sugar.
Those cups.
Yep. That's marking cups.
Oof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's all you need is 5. You did 5 times, remember?
7. Yeah, no.
Oh.
I only had 6.
Okay. That's the sugar. What else?
2 teaspoons baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Yeah, so 10 teaspoons.
5. Yeah, 10. Okay. 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon.
Bruh.
3, 6, 9.
So 9 tablespoons?
9 teaspoons. And 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon is 3, 6, 9. 3 tablespoons would be 9 teaspoons.
So 3 tablespoons baking powder?
But we need 10 teaspoons.
So not 3 of these and then 1 teaspoon?
Yep.
Dude, I'm on summer break. I don't want to do math.
Well, math is part of life.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 times 5.
5/4.
Okay.
1 1/4.
Good. 1 1/4. So 1 teaspoon and then 1/4 of another teaspoon.
Salt?
Yep.
That's a lot of salt.
So we're doing it 5 times.
I know, but still, a lot of salt.
And that's all the dry ingredients. Mix that up. Think we can do 5 times again and then put this on top?
Bruh, sure.
Good. And then when we need this to make one recipe, we use a heaping cup. And we'll make a recipe card to put on the box with the instructions. Waffle mix. So 1 heaping cup of mix. One egg. 1 cup of milk. And the next line is a long one. 2 capital T
Butter.
for tablespoons. 2 and capital T melted butter or veg oil.
Can we put melted unsalted butter?
Nah. And then on the side, mix wet ingredients.
Down here?
Yeah, or say mix dry ingredients.
You have to put the wet in the dry.
Right.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, mix wet ingredients. And add to and mix into dry ingredients. And at the bottom right, yield. Like a
Down
yield
here?
sign. Yield colon. 8 waffles.
What is colon?
Colon dot dot.
Oh. Can we put sift?
Sift dry ingredients, sure.
I don't think I spelled ingredients right, but there you go.
Yeah, you did. You did.
Oh, I'm smart.
Yeah. All right. And that's our waffle mix. Thank you for hanging out with us.
Dr. Pepper. Nope, I'm out.
Thank you for hanging with us and making our waffle mix.
Hit the like button.
Hit the like button. Share.